What's up? Welcome back to another call. I'm about to call a client. Let's get this ball rolling.
Hello?
Hey, it's Rodrigo.
Hey, Rodrigo. How are you doing?
Doing good, brother. How about yourself?
Doing great, thank you.
Amazing, amazing. So tell me what's happening.
Not much. So we got a almost 30-year-old law firm. We're starting to get more involved in advertising. Up until a couple of years ago, it was really just all word of mouth and referrals and pre-existing clients that would come back. I joined the team a couple of years ago. We advertising, and now we're looking to create some more television quality commercials for both our and
Gotcha.
looking to make about 3 or 4 pieces for each practice area. I definitely would like 1 or 2 30-second pieces, one 1-minute piece, and then maybe a 15-second piece.
Got it. Is a 1-minute piece, is that going to live like on your website or something?
We would use it for both and to live on our website.
Okay, got it.
Sometimes you just can't get the full message out in 30 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I was curious because like I do a lot of work with Comcast, and normally when we make cuts for them, it's only 15 seconds or 30 seconds, and then normally when we do longer, like 1 and 2 minute videos, it's kind of like we use the 15 and 30 second to send people to like a website or a link, and then there's a full minute, video, kind of like that strategy behind it. Gotcha. Have you guys done commercials in the past?
We have.
Cool. How'd you like those? Do you have any of them that I could see, or are you guys just trying to do something brand new?
Yeah, I can definitely send you some pieces. Some of them are good, some of them aren't that great. But more on the reason why we're looking for somebody new was the side of it. After everything was filmed, we felt took a little longer than it needed to.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes 3 months to get a finished piece back.
Wow.
Even though there was a very, very minimal amount of revisions that were required. Personally, I just think they oversold and underdelivered and had more clients than they had manpower to fulfill. But that's just my general observation. And then also one thing that they couldn't really do, which I was with and had to go to another in order to make it happen, was a lot of and I don't even know what for it, but when you have all of the different words on the screen that are going along with the video and different transitions for those words or things that are on the screen, it just looks very outdated technology is what I would think it was.
Got it. Yeah, so those are motion graphics.
Motion graphics, exactly.
Yeah, got it. If you mind me asking, what were you guys spending before on those videos?
It all depends. We've spent piece cut. We've spent piece cut.
Got it. Is there some like a certain budget you guys have right now for? Because right now you're talking about 6 to 8 videos.
Yep.
Okay. So is there a certain ballpark that are we playing around with like a full budget in a sense of like spreading these out, or are we like allocating more budget towards certain videos?
No, I wouldn't say more budgets being going towards one video or another. I would like to see, okay, if you're looking to get this many pieces cut, these are the lengths that are cut, this is how much time of actual on-site video production it's going to require, and this is what our overall budget is going to look like, is kind of what we're looking for. We don't have a set price that we're trying to pigeonhole anybody into. We're just really just laying some feelers out with a few different companies right now to see what they're able to offer and kind of an estimate on what the ballpark is for cost.
Got it. So right now at this point, you guys you're just kind of shopping around trying to figure out who's the right partner for you guys, who this is going to work out with. Cool.
Yep.
So I mean, what do you need? What do you need from my end then?
Really just a proposal.
Got it. So I can't necessarily give you a proposal not knowing what the videos are going to look like. If there's a certain video that you're like, hey, this is what we're trying to do, we want to make more videos like this, I can give you a proposal based on that without looking or, you know, us talking about creative or anything like that. For me to put together a proposal for you, I'm not doing you justice.
Got it.
I mean, does that make sense?
Yeah, kind of. I just wouldn't know how to go about giving you something that I would want to see produced.
Got it. So you haven't seen anything out in the market that you're like, hey, we like these kind of videos. This is what we're kind of looking for.
No, not really.
Okay. Is there any of your past videos that you like that you could be like, hey, this is what we've done in the past. I'll like the graphics. This look better. I just want to, because we've done different commercials for lawyers, which was like, you know, a bunch of B-roll footage. We've done voiceovers. We just finished shooting something that was a work commercial where we had 4 actors, you know, post-production. Like, there's just a lot of different things depending on what you need. So like I said, it's hard for me to give you a price on something without knowing exactly what is it that you want.
Gotcha. Understood. Do you have maybe different examples of different things that I could look at in your portfolio and I could say yes to A, no to B type of deal?
Yeah, I can send you some stuff that we've done with and I'd love to just kind of see what you've done. I would love to see what you've done in the past that you don't like, so we can make sure that we don't do that.
And none of it's anything that I didn't like. Like, I mean, I don't think we would have ever put a piece on the air that we didn't like. So we liked it. There was just parts of the process that we didn't like. So like with Crisp, for instance, their turnaround time was horrible. And they would piecemeal the different elements that we would need corrected back to us. So the timing was dragged out. The motion graphics, they didn't have the capabilities to do different types of motion graphics that we wanted to accomplish. So I wouldn't say that any of our pieces are or that we did them. It was more on the process of what it took to get it done that we were unhappy with and wanted to just work with a different partner that might be able to fulfill things on a more streamlined approach, or at least be able to adhere to timelines that they gave us as reasonable expectations.
Got it. That's fair. I guess that was my poor choice of words, but I totally understand. You know, time is money with all of this. All right, cool. So I can send you a couple of examples.
Definitely, yeah. I'm sorry to cut you off, but I can definitely send you links to those different commercials so you can see what we have had produced and what's out there currently.
Yeah, I'd love to see those. When are you guys looking to make a decision? When do you want to start filming?
So we'd like to make a decision ASAP. The only issue is when it comes to filming, I'm probably going to want one or both of the partners recorded in the footage, and they're going to be out of town for probably the entire summer. So I'm not going to get them back into any kind of position to be recorded until probably the midpoint of August, I would think.
Well, that's perfect.
But I would like to, at least in the meantime, get the scripts taken care of, understand what we're going to accomplish conceptually, what are the different types of elements that will need to be filmed, so on and so forth. So kind of all of our ducks are in a row and we're ready to shoot as soon as they get back. So
do you have scripts already, or like some sort of outlines?
We do not.
Okay, so then in a sense, you're looking from our end. Are you also looking for us to come up with the script and stories as well? Just have some sort of guidance here.
We would like someone to do complete creatives. I've written most of the scripts in the past, and while I want to think that I did a good job, it's not necessarily what I do for a living, right? I'm a DMO. I would like to be able to give creative guidelines on here, this is the division that we're looking for. These are the different things that separate us from our competitors. These are our different types of value statements, and then allow whoever does that for a living when it comes to script writing, kind of be able to put their twist on it.
Got it. So in this sense, are you able to at least give me the, you know, maybe 2 topics for each of the 2 different branches that we want to do, so I can at least brainstorm something and kind of give you a proposal based on a concept?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll put together like a follow-up email after our call, just going over these things. Any questions I can answer for you?
Not at this point.
Okay, awesome, man. So put together a follow-up email going over this. I'll gather some commercials that we've done, and then when should I follow back up with you?
I would give me like a week after you're able to send a proposal.
Okay, cool. So I'll send a proposal to you after you get those videos from your end.
Okay, great.
All right, brother. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
There you go, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I learned something that I need to use better choice of words, saying that, you know, I know that he did not like them, but saying that implied something that after thinking about it is he approved those commercials. So for him, he had to like it to a certain extent. And the biggest thing that I heard here, his pain point, was that things were done very slowly, that, you know, they took a long time and they're looking to work with somebody that's fast. Lucky for him, we're pretty fast. You know what I mean? So I don't want to commit to a price without knowing the scope of the project. That's just something else you guys want to, you know, just keep that in mind. You know, somebody's asking you to send them a proposal, but you don't know what kind of video they want. Is you know, what are you gonna do? Because it could be like they want the mayhem progressive, and there's a dude fucking crashing cars all over the place, and they're like, hey, we got, you know. But for another point is him and me asking that question, have you done commercials before, pulls back from, great, how much did you spend for this? So he already told me they spent a couple $1,000s. I'm guessing he probably spent anywhere between and then maybe, I think he probably even spent more than that. So those are the things throughout the conversation that I want to get insight on. So now I know that they spent a couple $1,000s. They're looking for a very heavy graphic style commercial, which we have some. You know, I want to say it's probably not my best work, but we do have a couple that I'll say are good that I could present to him that we've done for lawyers. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. Do it right now. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a like. And then I'm going to keep these videos up for a very small time. And then after that, these are going up into my private board where you only get access to these videos after you purchase my contracts, which are also available down there for $24.99. And these are the same contracts I use to run all my businesses. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.